Hello, how are you?
Hello.
First question, what is your name and what is your role?
My name's Amal and I'm the Vice President for Public Interest Careers. What is your name and what is your role?
So I'm Isaac and I'm the Vice President of Private Law Careers.
Yeah, founded in 1822, this law firm is the longest continuous legal partnership in Australia. Its relationship with Westpac stretches back 160 years.
What?
This is a very long question. Since 2012, it has operated in association with one of the most prestigious firms in London. Which law firm is this? I already figured it out.
Allen's.
Yeah.
All right, your turn. Established in 1923, this institution is the leading arbitration institution in the world. It resolves issues in the fields of international commerce, trade and investment. What agency is this?
What? I don't know. I really want to say the United Nations, but that was not founded in 1923.
No, I feel like it's not that one.
I don't know.
So it's actually the International Court of Arbitration.
Yeah.
And if you have trouble with that, you can find it in the Public Interest Careers Guide.
Probably have a read of that. Oh, you should know the. You should. I think you should know the answer to this one.
Do we?
I think you work there. This law firm was first formed from 3 separate Australian law firms. They have offices in Sydney, Melbourne, Brisbane, Perth, and Port Moresby. Their Sydney office is located at 8 Shifley Square. Which law firm is this?
I think that's Cause Chambers Westcott.
Yeah, what a shocker.
This is too easy.
He works
Because I work
there.
at 8 Chifley. That sounds like where I work. So some of those facts and other facts we can find in the Private Law Careers Guide. We can find other opportunities and other information about clerkships.
Yeah, interesting.
Okay, this agency is Australia's integrated corporate markets, financial services and consumer credit regulator. Their role is to maintain and improve the performance of the financial system and entities in it. They offer an 18-month graduate program in Sydney with rotations across 4 business areas. Which agency is this?
This is ASIC, the Australian Securities Investment Commission. And you can find more information about that program in the same careers guide that we were just talking about, which is found on unsw.lawsoc.org.
Is it actually ASIC?
Yeah, it's ASIC. Why go private instead of public?
That's so funny. I have why go public over private.
Yeah, so I would recommend going public over private because you get a wide array of opportunities and both can interest anyone. But with public, you get this greater ability to work within government organisations. You have very much set hours if you're working within the public service. And you also get the gratitude of being able to work more so in human rights and advocating for people, which for some people might be a lot more interesting to use their law degree to be able to do that.
How interesting.
How interesting. So why would you go private?
I would say private to be able to use your law degree in a more commercial setting. So you get to work with businesses at all stages of development. So startups, mid-sized businesses, large transnational corporations, and help them with their legal and commercial problems. And yeah, I think that if you're interested in business and the intersection between law, technology and business and that sort of area, I think the private sector can offer you exposure to a wide range of practice areas and really develop the skill sets that can help you in it if you go in any other exit path.
We're having a very innovative year this year and we're hosting a new series of events as well as re-hosting old events. So in term 1, we're hosting about 3 events. We have a skills workshop at the start of the term which is focused and catered to 5th years who are about to start applying for government graduate programs, and we'll be using that to teach you skills for cover letter writing and just the general application process to help you and guide you in making it through application process. And we'll also be hosting the Careers in Public Policy panel, which would be centred around working in law reform, which is something that a lot of students at UNSW are interested in, but we haven't catered to that sort of panel before. And we also have a Careers in Administrative Law panel. So if you have a very big interest in that area of law, I would highly recommend coming to this one, and it would teach you quite an array of new things.
So the Private Law Careers portfolio has a wide range of events that focus on students in all years. So we have our pre-penultimate panels where you can learn about how you can use your law degree in your early years to prepare you for looking at jobs in later years. We also have events focused on people going through the clerkship and graduate recruitment programs and giving them the skills to succeed in those sorts of areas with applications, recruitment and interviews and that sort of thing. And then we have general panels and events like our public No, not the private law careers fair, and different firm presentations where we'll be inviting firms to speak about what they can offer students in their different programs and the culture at their firms, so students can really make the best informed choice when they're going through recruitment.